Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the Footwell lights in your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. The only tool you're going to need is a spudger or some sort of trim removal tool, which I'll talk more about later. One note before we start. If you're replacing the Footwell lights in your Model 3, you need to have full premium interior for the Footwell lights to be compatible. The other trim levels don't support Footwell lights. Okay, let's get into the install. So what we're going to do is we are going to insert our trusty little spudger here into a notch on one side of the Footwell light. Once it's kind of inserted, we're just going to twist and the light will pop right out. I like using the spudgers, which we sell at TeslaPuddleLights.com because it saves your trim. I think this particular Footwell, when it comes out, you can see on the edges, it's a little scuffed up because I was using a flathead screwdriver for a little bit, which can kind of damage the trim. So anyway, let's get on with it. So I'll go ahead and insert it into the notch. And then once it's in, you just kind of twist and the light comes right out. You can see on this light that there's a decent amount of cable on here. That's because I have a cable extender on there. And the reason I have that is some of the cars, particularly the Model 3s, the cable length kind of varies. So you can buy a cable extender and it just gives you a little more room to work with, which is really quite nice. All right, so to remove the light from the cable, what we're going to want to do is take our spudger, and there's a little clip right inside here that goes up and down. One thing to keep in mind is that once you unplug the light, the windows may roll up on the car and you may hear a beep. Don't worry about it, that's normal. The car will return to its normal state once you plug in the new light. Just make sure not to close the door until the new light's plugged in. All right, so let's go on with popping off the light here. You simply just press this clip down like that, and then I kind of use my fingers to wrap it around the wire. Make sure you can see it, and just pull it straight out. Very easy to do. I'll do it once more. So insert the spudger right here on that clip, push it down, and then give it a pull. And that's it, it slides right out. It's very easy. And here is our chill blue TeslaPuddleLights.com Footwell light. So we're just gonna go ahead and reinsert the cable right in there and then push it in. And then to reinstall, just feed the cable back in and then give it a push. And that's it. If you want to see how to upgrade the Puddle lights in your Tesla, click here. And be sure to check out TeslaPuddleLights.com for high quality, easy to install accessories for your Tesla.